Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a broken zipper on a school bag. Start by inspecting the slider, teeth, and fabric for visible damage and trapped threads. Gently unzip and zip to feel where it sticks, and use a flashlight to spot tiny obstructions. Note whether the slider wobbles or teeth are bent. This step helps decide whether you need pliers, a replacement slider, or simple lubrication. Try easy fixes before buying parts. Rub a bar of soap, candle wax, or graphite pencil along the teeth to ease movement. If the slider is loose, pinch it gently with pliers while testing the zipper to restore grip. For stuck fabric, coax it free with tweezers and move the slider back and forth slowly. These small steps often restore smooth action without sewing or parts replacement. Replacing a slider fixes many broken zippers on backpacks. Remove the top stops using pliers, then slide the old slider off and place the new one on matching the orientation. Test the zipper a few times, then reinstall or crimp new top stops so the slider does not come off again. If teeth are damaged nearby, reposition the slider past the area or consider replacing the whole zipper for long-term.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.